So what you see on your screen is not a scene from a bonfire. Every day, at least twice in a day, 4 in 10 people of the world's population go through this process of using wood fuel to cook and to heat their homes. The World Health Organization actually called this group of people the forgotten 3 billion. Most of these people are living in poor households from low and middle-income countries. Now, the use of wood fuel in inefficient cook stoves has a lot of impact on our environment, on our climate, on the security, the health, and also, most importantly, to the users and to the world, the health of the users. Now, 3.8 million people each year die prematurely from inhaling the smoke that comes from this, using this sort of cook stove. Now, with the invent of several new technologies of cooking, why are people still using this inefficient cook stove? It's because the new methods are too expensive, very, very expensive. Also, it does not conform to the local and traditional norms of the people that uses them. And also, there are other factors, such as the cooking needs of the people. Then, after several years of we trying, my team and I, trying as much as possible to come up with a solution and testing several options, we came up with a solution. A low-tech, very, very low-tech, simple metal device. And here it is. Now, this metal device is being placed in the traditional cook stove. And what it does is that it improves aeration under the wood such that there is enough air and that it results in complete combustion of the wood, which results in less smoke and correspondingly more heat. So then, now the device actually reduces the usage of wood by 63%. It also reduces the smoke that it emits by 89%, and it reduces the cooking time by 15 minutes. Low tech. Now, it is as cheap as possible. It's made from metal scraps, and it costs less than €1 to produce this. And it can be locally produced by artisans, so we don't need to produce from a central location and send to them. And it also, we don't need to change the culture and tradition of the people. They are able to use what they are comfortable with using. And it's so easy to make. Now, with this device, just one device in a year saves the lives of 5 humans from using from household air pollution. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Do you already have experience with the uptake of this in communities?
Yes, we have actually distributed about 4,000 in India, Ghana, and Kenya. Yes, and we have more than 97% still being used. We started 3 years ago, and they are still being used.
Fabulous. Thank you very much.